chemical propulsion is one of those parts of the space industry where there's actually not been that much innovation and investment over the last probably 20 years, actually. So what it's used for is we don't do the propulsion to get you to space. So the big rockets you see kind of taking off from the pads, those big first stages, that's not us. But the in-space propulsion is where we shine. So that's getting things to the right destinations and kind of changing orbits. And the investment that had gone in on that side had been very much geared towards tech called electric propulsion, which is basically what's used on Starlink by SpaceX. It's what's going to be used on Kuiper, which is the rival that Amazon are building. And that's a great technology if you are deploying a big mega constellation, because one of the drivers for that is deploying as many spacecraft as quickly as you can. So it's all about trying to stack as many as you can. As you deploy that constellation, you've actually got quite a bit of time to kind of deploy it and spread those spacecraft out. And electric propulsion kind of shines there. It's slow, but it's highly, highly efficient, right? The problem is, and this is where chemical kind of comes in, there's a whole swath of applications for space where that just doesn't work. So you think about if you're a military asset in space and for national security, just the multiplier that our space assets are here in terms of what we can achieve with our assets terrestrially, they're multiplied by the SATCOM we get, by the GPS navigation, the ISR kind of capabilities. Our adversaries know that. And they treat it as a potential kind of Achilles heel for us. So the last 3 or 4 years, maybe even 5 years, you've seen a change in a lot of the language from DoD and Space Force, where we're now getting ready to actually fight a potential war in space. That was not talked about like 5 years ago. And to be able to be ready to do that, you have to have technologies which just weren't available before. And that degree of maneuverability is key to that.